We deliver with steady voltage doings. Come on, leg high tension. First of all, are you a Malian? Toshi. Eric, are you a Malian?
Straight up.
MBG, we move. But you get bets now. Malian disrespect. Anyway, welcome. But for those who listen on Nigeria FM 102.7, now you position put live and direct. Observe your time right about now. 16 minutes. Dog base leave 10 a.m. already. Money runs with what about BM Sharon B and
Becca, please.
Too fresh, too set, so every.
Come on, don't start.
Since where Toshi and Eric enter, especially Eric, Becca never rest. They breathe anyhow. I don't know whether the most they make her breathe. So they never will press your neck as when they press little neck. I just tire. If you can't press your neck, look how you can breathe like that.
This guy don't do alright, so.
I just dey talk with you, they see.
Wait till they see, I know they breathe alright.
Toshi. Okay, sorry. Lilo when they press your neck, you don't breathe like that, tire. My brother, why were you always pressing Lilo?
I know the press any neck, I mean.
Because you know say you get where you go there used to something, you can't do the thing yourself. You get where he press Lilo neck, now Lilo can't press every neck back like.
Alright, I don't tire for you.
Anyway, Eric did the building, Big Brother Naija. Toshi also did the building.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Nigeria FM family.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie, give you. Your vision surprise everybody.
Yes.
But some people say now the handwork of the village people of Lilo.
Don't be like that.
See as your babe fall like you need to fall like come meet her.
Oh boy.
Because we don't hear any hands tire from her. So you need to go clear some things. And today you go clear them.
You're okay,
Toshi,
Yeah.
I get problem with you. Where we want start from first of all, the rest Now, first of all, I know say it will surprise you now, being the third and fourth housemate where we say they evicted from the Big Brother Naija season 5, where they currently share right now, where they sponsored
by Betway.
by Betway, betway.com. .ng. Now, sharp, I just want to ask you, how the feelings first be when they call your name first?
When I know how the feeling, I throw my cap now.
I can't say, in a small remember, beatable car, so the thing surprised you, Toshi?
Yeah, I was surprised.
Why? Why are they surprised?
Because maybe the people I was standing with or something. But it's a game though.
Wait, you know they go English. Now, Nigeria FM with you.
I surprised because of people where we say I stand with. But as they hot, on a game though.
Yeah.
As much as it is what it is. So the game on, man, game on, yeah.
So for you believe say you get enough chance to take actually play the game, because just as every housemate gets strategy, what will be your strategy for the house actually when you come with?
Well, my strategy now to just be myself, be myself, play the game. Anything will happen, go happen. If love come, we take anything will come. So I just.
But you believe say being yourself help you?
I don't know. Being myself, yeah, it helped me because I know my fans really like me because of who I am. And I wasn't trying to be somebody else. I don't try to portray another person for the house. I just be myself.
Be yourself.
Yeah, looky guy, we observe, talk.
Check things.
Yeah, do I
But if you get eye for one or two babe like that, what can happen? They're not reason you because they feel say your bread not strong for outside of it. No, we got them realistic.
Yeah.
Who you actually feel say just he underlook you, he just look you small. Who you feel say when you know, but inside the babe, inside the house.
He look me small. We underlook me.
Okay, when he underlook you.
I don't know. I
don't want to mention them.
You know I want to mention them.
Okay.
I mean, I be they wait for because I don't want to begin the
stretch left too much.
So I just they low key. They wait for anyone will come around.
But for at least out of all the ladies, supposed to get feelings for one when you just they see future arrangement with for inside the house. What be that one?
For the house at the beginning though, because everything happened at the beginning and at the end. At the beginning, I be like Tolani now.
Are you serious?
I only say it because I liked her a lot. But I mean, as things just the progress, I can't look one kind. Thing wasn't really good.
You're not gonna go as planned.
So I just move. I
Move
move
on your own.
I move, yeah.
Okay. Now what would just settle your own small go love our boy? Eric, I get problem with you. First of all, you get no boy.
Straight up.
Boy.
Yes,
before
sir.
I come.
My G.
Now so first of all, I want to ask you how you take gather this muscle when you be like hawk so.
I'm on a ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger,
Wait, when you dey read the Big Brother Naija application, you see bouncer for there.
Oh, I don't know how things they work now. If I don't quite that job, if you talk to me, I'll do bouncer. Oh,
Wait, that means last man
last one, bro.
Okay. Now, sharp, Becca, I know say you get a lot of questions to
get a
ask
lot of
Eric because
questions,
he dey triggered by the muscle already.
I beg, come on.
What did really happen between you and Lilo?
It really happened.
What did really happen?
We just did catch vibe for the house now. I actually thought we had a connection, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You thought?
Yeah, I felt like we had a connection.
So when you realize that you not thought again?
I just lock up now, you know, as an Edo boy.
As you come outside,
as I come outside, I just realize maybe no waiting I think
before.
So but we've not like had a conversation.
Since you don't come out.
Since you come outside.
Yeah.
You don't never contact you since.
Nah, we've never had a
Your
conversation.
boyfriend don't want.
Maybe don't apart from boyfriend, we don't even bash for be now. You know, never see. Now wedding invitation.
But I want to ask you right now, straight up, the waiting saw between you and Lilo, was it pure? Was it real to you?
Man, it was real as fuck to me. Oh.
This guy won't tell us so no F word, no S word.
Sorry about that one. So what you dey try talk now? Say to you, it did real to you. Because when Lilo come, he say it be like say you. You cage her.
Oh yeah.
Say
you watch the show.
We watch her.
I cage anybody.
Person that was caged say you cage her.
Maybe in a spiritual cage where we no see.
You don't say you be a dope boy, so it's possible. So I like to know right now from you. I want me to repeat and wait till you and Lilo get inside the house. For you, was it pure and real?
Yeah.
Pure and real. So when you come here, wait till she talk, when she come up for the house, how you feel?
You know, I was shocked, but I wasn't surprised.
Why not surprised?
I don't know, because we had a conversation about she had a boyfriend. And all that. Yeah.
But you know, the person get boyfriend, she didn't take her.
Look. But you not take her, I just kiss now.
Okay, sorry, we not really. We not say baby.
They not take each other now.
Yeah, so when I heard what she said, I'm like, I respect her decision to go back to her man. So it's all good. Yeah, like a wise man once said, this is what it is. We move on.
It is what it is. Now wise man talk that talk.
Now wise man don't see beer.
That is what it is really.
It is what it is.
So for right now, might go straight to the point.
Yeah.
For you right now, as you don't come out for the house, don't realize things they different from waiting be happen inside the house.
Yeah.
Any future day between you and Lilo, if possible.
I don't know. I can't. Like,
but you dey open to her.
I don't know. We have to like have a conversation first of all before I can.
We need to talk.
Yeah.
But to normal level, Sunday far from Tuesday. Why not never talk since then?
We've been very busy.
You been busy.
Yeah, I've been very busy.
See, I beg no verse. So, Eric, when I first start this Big Brother thing, I be the thing say na Erica you actually get something for at the start. I just serious. So the first week maybe I watch. Now Erica, I still they think so maybe something
go for.
Yeah. So I can't be surprised at the end of the day say na Lilo. So wetin can make Lilo special for that house? Maybe say na Lilo your mind can choose at last.
And we've been they get like longer conversations.
Okay.
Yeah, I enjoy conversations with Lilo more, and we had, can I say, more things in common than myself and Erica. So I just felt like I'm the kind of person that for me to be with you, I have to like enjoy your company 100%. I don't want to have any dead conversations or just be trying to keep up. But when me and Lilo talk, we can talk for hours with just saying random stuff, you feel me?
Back to back.
Yeah, so
and because of that one, I can't separate myself from
the other housemates.
Don't be by choice, it just happened.
And the guy will shock everybody. Normally, you know say when your girlfriend leave you, you're supposed to cry.
But you don't chop Indomie.
I cry, you.
You don't cry.
With noodles. I don't understand. With noodles, Eric.
Oh my, I got chop now.
You got chop.
I got chop.
But people, You get waiting people they complain. They say you just go the house, go chop. I don't understand.
Oh,
They always even for drinks. It's a too much for drink. That's it. What do they eat for drink?
That's not Indomie.
Because at the end of the day, it be like say some people they carry the rumors. They be like say you don't even get endorsement deal with Indomie.
No, not yet.
Because your eating ability to think that. Okay, now Toshi, back to you. Now, I go really. I don't go like give you your own vision. Shock me because I know say for Lilo to come out, your husband need to follow her. So you're not to shock me. But for you, Toshi, what do you believe say you really do wrong when people not really vote for you?
I can't really. I don't feel really say because I'm on a game. So because I was surprised because the first eviction I didn't did top 4. So I wasn't really called up. So being called up,
it shocked you.
It shocked you.
It shocked me. But I was upset. I was disappointed.
Yeah.
But
it is what it is.
It is what it is. After they come out, I drop and so that's so it be.
Okay, for you, if they give you chance, say me you go back to the house, what you go correct and what you go do right?
Well, for me, first of all, this is me. I never try make I portray another person for the house, and so I be. So I will still be myself, though I'll try to engage more. I will try make I engage more with people.
Okay, talk more with people.
Talk more, be more lively, maybe fall in love more.
But if I say that love, they help abi?
Yeah, they help now.
So between Watoni and Tolani, who you for life fall in love with if you go back to the house?
I would say Watoni.
Why you can't change that to
Why you change that to
Because before now Tolani you say you feel.
They never asked me who between two of them before. I only
Before,
one
okay,
my face. So
okay.
probably I think we will connect more.
With Watoni?
Yeah, connect more.
Okay, because even me for not advising for Tolani back because
Wait,
the rules and regulations to date are not easy. You should not talk to other guests, you should not be seen around other guests. I don't understand a prison.
Okay. I want to ask Tochi another question. So Tochi, as per say you don't spend a lot of time for the house now, you don't interact with most of the housemates. So if they ask you, I say based on the interaction maybe say you don't get with the housemates, who you feel say fit win this Big Brother among all these housemates you don't interact with?
First of all, I could talk say I have 3 people.
Now.
Kidwaya,
1,
Nengi,
2,
and Bright O.
Bright O.
Yeah.
That Bright, what he be role for that house? Una follow and date. That guy they manipulate people.
It's a game, man.
It's a game.
Your game to do your game. Yeah, it's a game.
Here, okay. Now, sharp. Based on your performance for the Betway Arena games, if you want rate 1 to 10 on a scale of 1 to 10, how you go to rate?
Arena games. Okay. 1 to 10, I would say 4, 5.
4, 5.
Yeah.
You rate well. You have to say 1 past 5. with you. Now, back to Eric, Mr. Loverman, and Incredible Hulk.
Yes, boss.
For you, for your arena games, if you want to rate 1 to 10, how you go to rate?
Those arena games no easy.
And you get muzzle.
I'm not be my muscle. My muscle, I don't win.
Okay.
Don't be my muscle.
Okay.
I'm at the same team. 4, 5.
4, 5.
4.
You know what 5 Okay, now sharp. What did they next for you right now?
For me, I'm going to boost my fitness. I'm going to go all in on my.
You want to join this one again?
I'm not even big like this, and I go, no worry.
What be your plan? What will the guard president?
If it possible.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm going to boost my fitness, own my own apparel brand.
Okay.
And then
that's your whole clothing line right
clothing,
now.
workout clothing and everything, male and female, unisex.
Okay.
I'm going to launch my charity foundation, Eric Foundation. Yeah, I'm going to try and leave a positive impact as much as I can in the community.
Okay.
And go back to school. Those are being like boy.
Go
back to school.
Which course you did do?
Geography and regional planning.
Yeah. What do you want to use most to do for geography?
Oh my guy, I get BSc now.
That one with me, I never lie.
BSc. Yeah, so there's a lot of things and all the opportunities that come. I'm open to
You grab and
yeah, with all these muscles, I'll go hold on tight.
No,
and also I noticed say you flex your muscle.
My guy, I got flex on.
Talk to sis when you come and say how many sugar mommy for your D.
Nah, no one don't come. No
But
one.
you like me them come and
wait.
I know I don't boy. That plan they pass like that.
All right, so make I ask you another question. Well, this one Betway trivia question.
Okay.
This one to Eric. Which Williams sister they talk say na 23-time Grand Slam title winner? They give you options, so they say.
I don't need the option. I
You know,
As a geographer.
I Serena Williams. Clap for me.
Okay, now you see 10 touches too.
Yeah, no.
Okay, how many people they on top football team?
Na 11 now.
Oh God.
Na 11 now.
Oh God. You know this one. If you be fair, I go flog you. Not to say.
Okay.
Okay, so Toshi, what's be your plans after now? I want to know. What's your plans?
You be plenty.
Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, I could try appreciate my fans. Everybody will just try choose something.
To vote for you, yeah.
Because it's not easy.
Yeah.
I appreciate all donation out there. I love you guys.
What do you call them?
Donation.
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 To oh. Okay. Now just to add another to O general. We don't finish it. But continue.
I don't even grab the joke.
Oh, you don't get that.
Arabi, don't they alright?
What I don't mind, I continue.
Okay. Definitely acting. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, you I'm not gonna like give you finish that Olu Jacob role on a steady I will tell you no joke. I got commend you for that one. Where our clap? Clap not there, clap. You finish work,
Thank you.
So you get plans to go into acting.
Yeah,
Okay.
acting and also real estate.
Wow.
Yeah, real estate,
Okay.
properties, and also, I mean, so much, man, so much.
Any plans to settle down soon? Oh boy, that laugh. No answer me. I don't know. For Gama to come back. This boy don't know what he has. Okay.
Soon come.
Okay, what about you, Eric? Well, you even felt normally I say, "Do boy," and you really like for that matter. You supposed to get the before you enter the house, and you don't get Eric.
I don't get to.
Talk through to.
So all this your muscle, the girls no see am before you enter.
They see am, but I don't see the one we.
Where if he carry the.
That kind of thing.
You hear what he talk? Not be say they don't the one if he hold on down. You see why guys not agree date black people? Black people, they're too grab. Okay, now for you get plans to settle down any moment soon?
Not so soon.
Not so soon.
I'll be young man. I'll be 24, so I gotta set up myself.
Which kind disrespect be you? Wait, now your football age, I've been at your age. You don't say one of your housemates that you don't become 17 before. Sorry, 23 before. Then you can't become 23 again this year. So I don't even know the same with you too.
Nah, my age.
Now your age,
my age.
Brother, which one are the hits? I want to know.
I'm not child. Now you do.
See, Eric, I want make you help R&B.
How old is
Joking
TCIB?
like this now.
R&B they shop,
How
but
old
it's not
is
they.
TCIB, bros?
Like that.
You get a correct. This one I want on my village phone and I don't want my party. Okay, now sharp. I go like no. Okay, I don't ask you how you want to handle the sugar mummies. Then for you right now, I know say a lot of female fans don't dey for already. How are they plan to handle the female fans then?
You expect.
She waiting. Baby mama, I talk.
No, you don't make sure to do it.
Okay.
Expect.
Respect. Yeah,
Respect, okay.
Because I love all my fans.
All your fans.
They're female. The female ones, I love you guys. I love
Okay.
everybody. So I see the hot.
Carry on.
Yeah.
For you, Eric too.
Same thing. Just show them love and let them know their place.
I
know their place.
You see the love when you show me love inside this thing by pressing her neck. Not show them. Not show them. Not press that. But is it normally they like press neck?
I'm all lucky.
Look, I see why they don't feel hold you down.
The weight is too much.
It's too much. Anyway, sharp. I think we don't exhaust all the questions we'll get for now.
Yeah.
On a serious note, I would just like make una give una shout out for those when we say vote for them because to even stay